Hi everyone, James here. This is the final reveal of the 1/72nd scale Academy B-29A. This is the part of the Duxford series, and I've done it in its hog wild. It's overall very nice kit, very detailed interior. The only problem I had was it was a tail sitter, so I used the Humbrol. I think it was filler. It might have had poly cement in it as well, and it actually mounted the fuselage where the front bomb bay is. So I had to fill that because it actually melted the plastic. So that's the final reveal of the 1/72nd scale B-29 Super Fortress. Thanks for watching.